Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to clear your cache on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here check your iPhone storage, and if it is full then you have to simply delete some useless data from your iPhone storage. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below, and from here you have to simply delete the all useless apps on your iPhone as well. So guys, if there are any useless apps on your device, simply you have to simply uninstall them or delete them, and after this you have to simply go back, and now you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So as for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this the cache of your iPhone will be cleared once you restart your device. So guys, in this way you can also clear cache on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.